What's up guys, Rob here with Adventure Bound Offroad, and as promised in the last Gladiator video, here is your review of the Mopar 2-inch kit. Like I said in that video, I've ran this lift for about 42,000 miles, so it's been used and it's time to replace it. So let's flip you around and give you my thoughts. So as of right now, the Mopar 2-inch kit does not come with the Fox 2.5s anymore. It now comes with Bilstein. I believe they're 2.0s with a reservoir. I could be wrong on that. Correct me in the comments if I am. But when I got this kit, they were using the Fox 2.5s without a reservoir. The shocks were, in my opinion, a little on the light side per the valving. The Fox shocks that come on the Rubicon model of the Gladiator are way too light. I remember when I first got this truck, anytime I would put any type of load in the bed, the rear of the truck would just wag. So really wasn't a fan of the factory Fox shocks. When I got this lift, I did get this from a customer used. It had very little miles on it. He bought the Jeep already from the dealer with this kit installed, and then we upgraded to an aftermarket suspension. So I bought this, I believe, for like 500 bucks from the customer. So it was an improvement over the stock Fox shocks. They were a little bit stiffer, and that rear end wag did go away somewhat. Once I put the camper on here and added that extra weight, it came right back. So wasn't really happy with that. The shocks, they are starting to leak. You can kind of see some oil. That one's not too bad. This one I think is the worst. There's a little bit of oil starting to leak out of them. As far as the springs, I was happy with the springs. I didn't feel like they were too harsh. It gave the 2-inch lift that was advertised, so I was happy with the springs. One thing that I am not happy with, and that I would always recommend, anytime that you're lifting over 1.5 inches, I recommend doing an adjustable track bar. So this is a metal cloak track bar that I put in there to get the axle centered. In the rear, I kept the stock track bar, and that seemed to be fine. These covers can be pretty loud. The other side, I must have hit it or something, knocked it out of adjustment, but it has rubbed really bad. So you can see the body, looks like it got chewed up a little bit. You can't really tell if it's leaking any. Maybe once I take these off, I'll take these shaft guards off of there and see if they're leaking. It does come with the rear bump stops. The front, I used metal cloak bump stops and set those up because I had gutted the fenders, so I had more clearance. So I just used my own and set them up. Something else that I did was the track bar reinforcement bracket from Synergy and sector shaft brace. I'm a big fan of that. It's worked out well on several builds that I've done. All in all, I think this lift is a good entry-level lift for someone that might hit back roads, for someone that just wants a lift to fit a 35, potentially a 37 if you got the fenders. I think it's okay. It does adjust caster. You get a slightly longer factory style lower control arm. It's not adjustable, nothing's adjustable with it. Like I did say, you do need to add an adjustable track bar to make it proper, in my opinion. But it's okay, it's an all right lift. If you are going to buy it at full retail, I do think that there are better options with better shock options. If you're looking at buying one new right now, as of April 2025, the Bilstein shocks I do think are a better option, but I don't have hands-on experience with that. So anyways, guys, we're gonna keep this one short, and there is your review of the Mopar 2-inch lift kit. All right, guys, there is your quick down and dirty review of the Mopar 2-inch lift kit. It's all right. I'm all right with it. I think there's better options. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, follow along for more, and we're out.